Online. Hello everyone, today we will learn how to play the song Don't Cry For Me Argentina from the musical Evita. In this first tutorial we will learn the first part of this song, and parts 2 and 3 are on the website. Please have a look. Alright, so we'll begin the first part with the right hand. Right hand begins with first finger on E. Hold the E as you play G with second finger. Two short Gs, long G, again long G. Fifth finger is on C, and third finger is on A. First finger plays the C 2 times. Fifth finger plays A, again A, and again. Then fourth finger plays G, first finger plays D, E, third is on F, again 2 short Fs, and a long F, again 2 short Fs, and a long F. Second finger plays E, D, and E. Second finger plays E, again E. Fourth is on G, fifth is on A. Second finger plays E. Third finger plays E again, long E. 2 short E's, and a long E. E, G, fourth finger plays F sharp, third finger plays E, again E, D, and again D, one more time D, and together C and D. 2 Ds, fifth is on A, fourth is on G, F sharp, and G. Okay, now we'll look at the left hand. Left hand plays C and G, fingers 5 and 1. Now we have F and A, fingers 2 and 1. Next we have G and B, fingers 2 and 1. And again C and G, fingers 5 and 1. First finger on G, and down to C. C and A, fingers 5 and 1. Now D and A, fingers 4 and 1. C and A, fingers 5 and 1. Moving down, we have B and G, fingers 5 and 1. Now D and F sharp, fingers 4 and 2. G and B, fingers 2 and 1. Fifth is on D, first is on G, and fourth is on D. Alright, so as soon as you've mastered each hand separately, we can now move on and combine hands together. So left hand plays C and G, fingers 5 and 1. Right hand plays first finger on E. Again G. Fifth is on C. And now together, left hand F and A, right hand A. Fifth is on A. And together, left hand G and B, right hand fourth is on G. And together. Together. Fourth is on F sharp. Together. Alright, so we'll stop here. Parts 2 and 3 are on the website. Please see them to finish learning the song, and I will see you in the next tutorial.